Toddler found wandering in Spanish Town. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police is seeking the public's assistance in locating the parents or relative of a toddler who was found wandering along Whitechurch Street in Spanish Town in the vicinity of the St. Catherine Parish Court on Saturday, November 19 at around 3:30 p.m. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of his family is being asked to contact the Spanish Town Police at 876-984-2305, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll have a comprehensive report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.